Let's be honest, farming in Uganda has never been easy. Back-breaking work, pests and diseases, unpredictable rains, rising input costs, and shrinking yields. Farmers are literally carrying the weight of feeding the nation with little support. But something is shifting. Modern farming is giving people tools that reduce manual labor, sensors that tell you when your crops need water, data that cuts waste and saves money, clean solar energy powering processes, and cold chain storage that preserves quality and extends shelf life. Through GRASP, ABI Development's Green Agri-Food Systems Program, more farmers and agribusinesses are getting access to these solutions. Modern farming in Uganda is not a dream anymore. We are making it real. Lima Smart, growing better together.